Hello, what's up everyone? Thank you. Subscribers, thumb up, bunch of comments, email. I can't really follow anyone anymore. Guess what? Someone claimed free energy again on YouTube. Please take a look at this video and let me know what you think.
We took from that the only working solutions were energy devices that people have made for themselves. So we began studying a practical guide to free energy, and through those 15 chapters, the one
13 watts. I can pump a lot more, but I have a tendency of blowing up transistors, and it works pretty good right now. Maybe I'll turn it up a little bit for the demonstration.
So you guys know what I'm talking about. It's called Abha Coil. Abha Coil, it's been an organization founded from Mr. Powell, Rodin, and Nunez. The coil looks like something like this, little messy. Mine works much better. I'll tell you what, because mine it's 300% over unity. 300% over unity. I'm going to prove it. The simple reason why mine is more efficient is that, okay, it doesn't look as pretty as that one, but as long as it works. So, of course, there is no schematic, the video quality is pretty poor, but it's okay. That's not what it matters. It matters that we have free energy. Stop paying for your energy bill. Stop it. So, pretty quick, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how the Abha coil and Vortex mathematics is about. This is the coil. I'm powering everything with a 1.5 volt battery, just like that one, very common battery. I made my little circuit with a power MOSFET and oscillator. No power supply, the only input is gonna be my 1.5 volt battery, and this one has no energy in, there is no power supply for this one. So let's go ahead and check it out, and I show you, I can prove you we have free energy. Please watch it. Alright, this is my Abha coil. This is my trigger, call it trigger. I put this one under my coil. This is a power MOSFET. Everyone can build something like this. I will go ahead and put everything in the description and components. Everything is powered by 1.5 volt battery, and let's go ahead and check it out. The only difference between this one and the Abha coil from Rodin and Powell and Nunez is that this one, first of all, it works on two different frequencies. It works on low frequency, no high frequency, and I can go ahead and prove it, and the result is this one. I'm pulling almost 12 volts out of this guy. Everything is powered by 1.5 volt battery right there. I can go ahead and disassemble everything just like that and show you that there is really nothing hiding or anything. It's just by putting all this stuff together like that, suddenly you have that much voltage. So this one from 1.5 to 12 volts almost, that's over 300% or probably even more. So now the vortex here, obviously inside a tornado, as you well know, the air is pretty stable. So nothing, everything is spinning around here. I can tell, I can feel the heat with my hands. In fact, we're going to test it. We'll actually, whether like all around here with a simple light bulb here, we can test that all around here will be, I can tell you the spot. Oh, there we go. That's the one. So it works on two different frequencies, you can tell that. But all in the center right there, because as soon as you move, right there. So here there is now neutral, 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 neutral. All you have to do, I think it's in the center right there. There we go. So that's what it is. That's what it is. So there you move it, and then this is my result. Check this, I fluctuate a little bit, but that's not a problem. We have over unity, we have free energy right there. I made it. Let's try it one more time. It works on two frequencies, check this out. What do you know? It works. We have free energy. It works. Check this out. All right. So, that's what it is. Nothing is hiding. There are no Tesla coils around me. Otherwise, this one would even light a distance. If there was any Tesla coil around here in the field, you could tell. Only when it gets close to the center of it. There we go. Move it a little bit, nothing. All around, nothing, just in the center of my coil. Right there we go. And that's how much we have in here. Alright, you convinced now that we have free energy here? Nothing is around. That's my Rodin and Vortex mathematics right there. Check that out. Check that out. Check this out. 1.5, 11.6 volts. That's over unity right there. Try to beat this one. Beat it if you can. It's a scam. Hoax. It's a fake. Obviously. Every year a new scam comes out. Every year. You guys are new to this, but these people have been doing this forever. Scamming nowadays, it's a full-time job, and it requires a lot of investment, marketing. That's how business works. The more money you put into marketing, the more money you get back from scamming people. Let me tell you, this is not the first device. Every year a new device comes out. One is the Unimag, a few years ago. Then you have the magnetic generator. Then you have the resonator that makes everybody claims free energy, everyone. This Vortex mathematics and stuff, it's old like since 1950 or 60. Engineers, they've been making like toroidal shape, transformers and stuff forever. Rodin now suddenly takes his name and put it into this strange shape coil that in this kind of particular pattern, it doesn't do really anything, nothing. There is just only two things you can do. It can be only be a resonator with a simple LC circuit. If you're an engineer, you know what I'm talking about. Or you can be just an antenna, but you still need the capacitance if you want it to be an antenna. This is nothing new in electronics, nothing new, and it's just another scam. Let's take a look at this first. Check this out. Three things scammers have in common. Three, at least. One, never ever a complete website, ever. For as big as the organization, for as many people that are working behind it, only one single web page. Really? Second thing in common. Please consider a donation. Yes, that's the trick. It's the first thing they show on their web page. Please consider a donation. For what? For a non-profit organization. Sounds like a little fishy right there. Yeah, because even non-profit organization, like any organization, you have to have a license, you have to have a number, you have to have a... Where is all this stuff? Where is it? Where is it? Third thing, scammers have something in common. No longer people want to see magnet and coils. Why? Because it's easy to make. Everybody now is debunking this bullshit. Everyone can make a simple coil and a magnet, putting together. Wow, mine doesn't work. How come yours works and mine doesn't? Because it's bullshit. Now, if you make something complicated and you call it Vortex mathematics, obviously, people are kind of I still quite don't understand what these people are talking about, but it's okay, I want to believe it. But guess what? Very expensive material, not easy to find, very complicated to build. Only we can build it. You don't know how to make it. Let me teach you how to make one. What is the schematic? What are the component lists? You know, what is everything? Patent number, where is it? Schematic, where is it? Any formula used for your crappy device? Let me show you what kind of mathematic Vortex is about. Let me give you a chance to Mr. Power and Rodin to talk about. Let's see what this number come from.
Diseases, produce unlimited food, travel anywhere in the universe, fusion, vortex energy, ionic acoustic levitation, gravitons, the ultimate fundamental particle in the universe, the underpinning geometry of the universe.
First of all, vortex-based mathematics, Marco, his original claim was that he had tapped into and could model mathematically a previously unobserved, invisible energy. Okay, that energy is referred to by many names and has been by many people. It's been called tachyons or monopoles. You might call it gravitons. You might call it radiant energy, chi, prana. You might just call it energy, or E, like as in E equals mc squared. It is the motive driving force behind all of reality. It is the initial impulse, positive force behind creation. Okay? This energy is characterized by its linearity. In other words, it moves in a straight line. Every bit of mass, Einstein's relativity will tell us everything with even a slight bit of mass, even a photon, okay, which is supposed to have no mass, but even a photon coming from a distant star was seen to curve around the sun, okay, proving that relativity existed. So this shows that all mass, all matter is in a curved motion, a relative motion. This energy is different from that. It is, it penetrates everything, nothing can resist it, and it leaves a grain on everything. It is undecaying and eternal. So let's start here with 1. It's a really easy number. Oftentimes they say 1 is the loneliest number, or we might think of one God, one universe. It is a cohesive number, a unity. Okay? So we start with 1. What is 1 doing on this symbol? Well, if we draw a straight line connecting it to the next number, it goes to 2. And what that is called doubling. 1 doubled becomes 2.
The complicated mathematics behind this vortex, it's just a bunch of numbers. There are really no formulas, and then put it together in a way that number 1, because God is one, we have one universe, we have one sun. Number 2, because 1 plus 1 is equal 2, so number 2. Number 3 is because I woke up 3 o'clock this morning, and that's what 3 o'clock. This guy can talk for hours without saying anything, for hours. And you apply all this stuff to some electronic, and you're still using transistors, resistors, and freaking copper wire. What the fuck that thing has to do with free energy? To me, these people, they look like more like, hippies, like, peace and love, meditation, nothing engineering behind it. Nothing. Seriously. You want to prove you have over unity? That's what you need. You want me to show, you have to show me how many watts. Yes, watts. That's how you measure the energy, the overall energy. Voltage and amperage, we don't give a damn about it. We don't. That's what I want to see clearly. If you claim free energy, if you claim not even perpetual motion 101 efficiency, we are talking about over unity. You're producing more than what you put it in. Watts in, watts out. Where is it? You can measure it with just a simple multimeter. Watts, it's volt times the amps, and you can measure with something like this. It's so really complicated, really so complicated. These people have the technology to make a better freaking video quality of what they got. Because they have free energy. They can't find a better camera. They cannot. They've been working on this project forever. They haven't come out with anything, not a single patent number, not a single video that proves what's in, what's out. Wow, there is a video. Check this out.
It's not right. So look, he's lighting all of these lights with 1 watt of power. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
In the video, they show they light 1,000 LEDs with 1 single watt of energy. That is very impressive. Let me show you one thing that works even better than that one. This is my over unity machine. Now, I'm powering this system with 3.7 volt lithium batteries. This one it's a motor, and this one it's a motor in reverse, so it's a generator. 1.5 volts, 120 volts. Motor, check this out. Actually, over unity, check this out. I'm pulling over. Look how much voltage I'm making out of this. 25, 24, 27, check this out. That is amazing. We have over unity. Check this out. 3.7 volts in, 27, 28 volts out. Really? Do you know a little bit of electronics and physics? Do you know just a little bit? If you don't, it's okay, but open your eyes, wake up. It's a scam, it's another scam, just like everyone. You need to show me this one clearly. What's in and what's out. Too much mess. Clean up your freaking workbench. Show me something clearly. In every single video, nothing shows. Too many cables and devices, very poor quality video, light is always out. Please, clean your mess. Clean your mess on your table. And then you show me clearly, put everything away. All it takes is just your device and this guy right here. It costs $5 this thing. Guess what? They have the free energy technology. They can make a website. They can make a clear video. They can patent it. I can patent this shit. I can. You can patent it as a free energy generator, but you can patent it. Simple as that. These people can patent it. And please stop calling Nikola Tesla for nothing. When your system is no longer reliable because people they totally cut your head out, they totally debunk it. Now they have to start calling Tesla involved because according to Tesla, our Tesla generator, our Tesla, too many Tesla around. You don't know what you're talking about. Tesla. If you suddenly mention Tesla, automatically it must be reliable. Automatically people start believing you. Because Tesla said, because Tesla here, because Tesla there. Stop this shit. Stop it. That's all you need to show me. I'm pretty sure in the future we will have free energy. I'm pretty positive about it. In fact, I'm a really open-minded skeptical. This is scam. Every year a new scam comes out. The magnetic generator, the Unimag, then this one and that one. Vortex generator. Vortex mathematics. Please subscribe and stop looking for do-it-yourself free energy on YouTube. Please. Some people say, these people, they already sold to the government. These machines they produce. To the other side, people say the government is scamming you. Is the government a big problem? It's killing everyone. So there is kind of an imbalance of misinformations here. There is not a single proof these guys they sold anything to the government. The government is scamming you. One side, selling you petrol and fossil fuels, and to the other side, you have scammers to the other side. Everyone is trying to scam you. Wake up. Be a little bit skeptical, a little bit. If it's too good to be true, duh, it's a scam. It's scam. Open up your eyes. Open up. Open it. Listen, look, be skeptical. Seriously, you can't believe in everything YouTube shows you. You cannot. Thumbs up, please subscribe. See you next time.